Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you pronoun, verb and adjectives. First topic is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. What is noun? A noun is a naming word which means name of a person, place, thing, animal, idea or feeling. So when a word is used in place of noun, that word is known as pronoun. For example, Harry is a boy. He lives in Delhi. Who lives in Delhi? Harry. But in place of Harry, we are using he. Harry is a noun. Harry is a noun here. Boy is also noun. But in place of Harry, we are using he. So he is pronoun. He lives in Delhi. It is a big city. Which is a big city? Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a noun. But in place of Delhi, we are writing it. So it is a pronoun. Now pronouns are of various types like personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, relative pronoun and reflexive pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is of three types like first person, second person and third person. Pronouns of first person are I, me, my, myself. These are singular. Plural are we, us, our, ourself. Pronouns of second person are you, yours, yourself. They are used in singular and plural both. Pronouns of third person are he, she, his, hers, him. They are singular. They, their, them. They are plural. And it and its is neuter, means neither plural nor singular, means it is used for both. Now next is demonstrative pronoun. These pronouns are used to show nouns. For example, this, that, these, those. This is my house. That is your house. These are my books. Those are your flowers. Next is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite means which shows uncertainty, means which are not known or we have some doubt about them. They are all, none, some, many, somebody, etc. Means we don't know definitely about them. They are indefinite. All means all are hungry, but how many are hungry? We don't know. None are happy. How many are happy or how many are not happy? We don't know. Likewise, other examples are there. Next is interrogative pronoun. These pronouns are used to ask questions like what, which, how, etc. What is your name? Which flower do you like? How many colors do you have? Etc. Distributive pronoun. These pronouns are each, any, every, which shows distribution, like each of you have to submit your classwork. Any of the book will do. Every child has to be present in the class. Distribution, which shows distribution. Next is relative pronoun. These pronouns are used to join two sentences. For example, who, which. You may be thinking that interrogative and relative pronouns are similar, but they are not similar. Like these pronouns are used in the beginning. What is your name? But here, these pronouns are used in the middle, which join two sentences. Like I know the man who is your uncle or who is an actor. I know the man who is an actor. Which, I like the book which has flowers. So these pronouns are used in the middle to join two sentences. These pronouns are used in the beginning to ask questions. Now the last is reflexive pronoun. In these pronouns, object reflects the subject. A sentence is form of three words. Like if I write one sentence, she eats an apple. So she is subject and eats is verb. An apple is object. So this sentence is made up of three words. That is, she eats an apple. There are three words. And the first word is known as subject, who is a speaker. Second is verb, which tells us that some action is going on. And the third is an apple, which shows an object. So here the subject is I. I hurt myself. Myself is object and hurt is verb. So I hurt myself. I is subject. Hurt is verb and myself is object. So the speaker who is subject, talking about himself, like I hurt myself. When object reflects the subject back, when the speaker talks about himself or herself, that is known as reflexive pronoun. Similarly, she praised herself, means she is praising herself, not others. So these kinds of, this is pronoun. So these kinds of pronouns are known as reflexive pronoun.